This is a 1999 Bobcat 331. Pretty clean motor. Only has actual 2,432 hours since 1999. Been a good tractor. Tread on the tracks seem to be pretty good. I think they were replaced once. On both sides are pretty good. This is side of it looks like a little surface rust right here on it. Obviously the paint has been chipping off. It's been used. The bucket missing a tooth, needs to be bolted back on or welded back on. It's got a little hole right here in the bucket right there around that seam. Also looks like it's going to need new pins here, or bushings. Not too familiar with it, but there's a lot of play in the bucket there. Both of them. Seat had seen better days. Either needs a seat cover or a new seat. Still sit in it and everything, but this arm goes up, but it doesn't stay latched. It comes back down. So let me get up and start it. Starts real good. There's controls. This knob here, got a little crack right here. Like I said, it's 99 miles, been well used, but low hours for the age. A little wear on the casing of the hose. But if you're looking for something that digs and does what it's supposed to do, this is a pretty good machine. Turn up. The blade the pins, but it opens, closes, digs, extends, does what it's supposed to do. Obviously, then foot pedal here for your boom. Go ahead and turn your boom to the side here so you can get up close to something. Right there. Goes all the way to the other side. Controls here, you either control it by your foot or by your hands. One of them actually has to be pulled back further than the other one to evenly do the track, so that's not 100% sure, either an adjustment or something on that. Turns. So for the age, very good tractor. Has little things that need to be done to it to make it real nice. But for someone that's wanting to get in real cheap, get something to do the job, I think this is a good starter tractor. Instead of having to drop 40, 50,000, maybe 60 on a new tractor this size, this would be a good starter. The accelerator, I do button here, that's been disconnected. That's just to speed up your travel if you're trying to go from one place to the other. So go ahead and push that button down and speed up. That's been, probably needs to be replaced because it was unhooked. Put that boom back down. Trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera is a little bit difficult. There you go. Sorry about the camera work. I just thought I'd try to get this so someone can get a better idea what they're trying to bid on. Not new by any means, but it's served us well. We just needed to get a smaller tractor to pull behind a pump truck because this was a little heavy for our truck and a trailer and loaded down to try to be hauling around town everywhere. So that's why we're getting rid of this. But also one of the lights covers was broke. So I'll get in and post this up and then put it on. Thanks for watching. Bye.